quiet. Stop. Okay. Hi friends, and welcome to today's video. So this week I thought it would be a really fun idea to show you guys what we are having for our dinners this week. A lot of you guys on Instagram actually sent me requests that were like food related, so I thought this would be really fun because if you know me, then you know that I am a foodie. I love trying food, I love making food, and I love, you know, branching out, kind of, sort of, a little bit. I'm really excited for this week's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I make a video every Saturday, so if you want to see more of me, just, you know, subscribe and like turn on the post notification bell and stuff because I would really appreciate it. So anyway, this week's video is going to consist of, like, as you know from the title probably, is a week of dinners, and they're going to be on the healthier side. And dinner number one is spaghetti. Instead of using like angel hair pasta or any type of carby whole wheat pasta, I'm actually using zucchini spirals. These specifically are from oh wait, that was upside down. Zucchini spirals. These are from Trader Joe's, but you can find zucchini spirals pretty much anywhere, I feel like. Fry's, Walmart, Kroger, Meijer, I guess wherever you shop. And yeah, so zucchini spirals. The macros in this is for 1/4 of the package, and it's going to be 15 calories, 0 fat, 3 carb, 1 in which is fiber, and less than 1 gram of protein. And the ingredients are, it's just zucchini and sea salt. So pretty much it's filler food that makes you feel full for hardly anything. And then I have meatballs here, which mine are frozen in a bag because they are leftover meatballs that I got from Costco a while ago. Specifically plain turkey meatballs, so I can season them however I want. You can make your own meatballs. Just get 99% fat-free lean ground turkey and season it, maybe throw in some breadcrumbs, make them into little balls, freeze them, and then get them out whenever you want to add meatballs to your food. But, you know, mine are just Costco. That's fine because I love Costco. So yeah, zucchini spirals, meatballs, and then pasta sauce. I always get the Classico tomato and basil sauce. I've looked through a lot of the sauces in the aisle for like healthier pasta sauce, and this is the best one that I found. If you know of a better one besides obviously like making your own, smashing tomatoes and whatnot, leave me a comment down below and letting me know because I would love to find an even healthier version of this. But the macros on this is going to be 1/2 cup is 60 calories, 2 grams of fat, 8 carb, 2 in which are fiber, and 2 grams of protein. So, and also like the ingredients on this is just in order: tomato puree, diced tomatoes in juice, and then contains 2% or less of olive oil, onions, salt, basil, garlic, spices, and natural flavor. And that's it. So again, I think this is the best pasta sauce at my grocery store. If you find one that is better, let me know because your girl is always looking for healthier alternatives to food. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Let's get into cooking. Yay. For dinner number 2, we are having a Mexican chicken, sweet potato, and black bean skillet. Okay. I found this recipe off Pinterest, so if you don't follow me on Pinterest, it's AlexisStar3, and I have a board of all like tried and loved recipes, and this one we are going to try tonight so I can put it on there. And it is just simply, oops. It is just a pound of diced chicken, and then 1 can of no salt added black beans, 2 sweet potatoes that we will like shave and then dice up into little cubes, and then some rice. I just got the Uncle Ben's ready rice in the roasted chicken flavor, and then when I make it all, I'll make sure to add salt, pepper, onion powder, cumin, stuff like that to make it Mexican-like. And then we also have like shredded Mexican cheese you can put on top if you choose to do so. So I'm really excited for that. Now let's get into making it. First bite.
It's gonna be hot. Ready? Good. Really good.
Yeah. That's really, really good. I like that a lot.
Same season.
Alright, for dinner number 3, we are having salsa fresca chicken with rice. And it's literally so easy. There is 4 ingredients, and that's it. So, easy, healthy, and yummy. All you need is chicken, salsa of your choice. We do the black bean and corn salsa, rice, and then cheese, if you'd like. And yeah, so I'll show you how to make it. Yay! I'm so excited.
This is like what this is.
Wait.
I'm not eating it yet.
Think it.
Like, knock yourself your fork.
Mmm.
That's good. Any chicken and salsa though?
It weirdly tastes like a pizza.
Nice. This is one salsa. Chicken and salsa is just so good though.
Really?
Like
Really good. Yay! Day 4. We are having salmon, butternut squash, cauliflower mash, and sweet potato fries. Because why the heck not? I love sweet potato fries, and these ones are really, really good. They're just the Alexia sweet potato fries with sea salt, and the macros are 140 calories, 5 grams of fat, 24 carb, 3 in which are fiber, 1 gram of protein, and the ingredients, oh, and that's for like 12 fries. And then the ingredients are in order: sweet potatoes, vegetable oil, and sea salt. That's pretty much it. But yeah, I'm really excited because I love sweet potato fries, like I said, and the cauliflower mash is really good. This cauliflower mash is from Trader Joe's. I actually usually get our cauliflower mash from Fry's or Kroger's because they have it in the freezer section that's really easy to make and really, really good. But we were at Trader Joe's this past weekend and I figured I would just get it from there. And then I got the pre-cut like butternut squash, which just makes it easier to cook. And also they didn't have any like whole squashes at our store, so I unfortunately like had to get the twice the price squash, which is fine. And yeah, and then the salmon, which let's get into cooking it because I'm freaking hungry and my stomach like is growling, and you don't want me to get hangry because I get hangry. So yeah, let's go.
Good.
I like cauliflower mash, it's so good.
Me too.
Squash.
Oh, I was going to the salmon.
I like squash. I like the squash.
Salmon's really good too. That's a big old piece of squash, that bad thing. It's falling over. I was a little iffy on the squash, but it's really good. Nice and soft. It's kind of like a sweet potato.
Yeah.
The texture.
Alright guys, for dinner at number 5, we are actually going to have the healthy turkey chili with protein cornbread that I made a couple weeks ago before Halloween. I actually have a video up on my channel on how I make my healthy chili, or healthier chili. So if you want to see how I make the chili, just go back and watch that video. I'll link it down below. Alright, so we have our chili, a little bit of cheese, a dollop of sour cream, our protein, Kodiak cake cornbread, and then some apple cider. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these types of videos, and I would be happy to make them. Bye.